back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new, and in this video I am going to be solving the document production part of paper 2 from October-November 2019. I have another video to resolve the rest of the paper, so go check that out, and without further ado, let's get started. Task 1, the evidence document. Open the file N219 evidence. I already have it open. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as N219 evidence followed by your candidate number. Name, center number, and candidate number have to appear on every page of the document, so we place this in the header. Go to Insert, Header, and we have a lot of options for headers, and I recommend choosing the second one because they ask for 3 details and this has 3 spaces to write. First, we type in our name, then our center number, and our candidate number, and we close the header and the footer. We have to save this document in our work area followed by our candidate number, so we go to File, Save As, Browse, and we choose our new location. We add in our candidate number to the file name, and we change the type from RTF to Word document, and we save this. You will need to place screenshots and answers to questions in this evidence document. Task 2, the document. You are going to edit a report to Tawara Digital Books. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. 1. Open the file N219 reading point RTF. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software that you are using with the file name eBooks. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. When it says that we have to save this in the format of the software that we are using, it basically means a Word document. The software that we are using is Word, and the format of that software is a Word document. I will go into my source files and I will look for the N219 reading. I will open it up. I will enable the editing. So this is what we have, and this is where we are going to be working. They say that this has a page setup of A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margins, and we don't have to change this, but if we want to check, we can go to layout, page setup, and you can see that margins are 2 cm for top, bottom, left, and right. It is A4 with portrait orientation. Have to save this in our work area in the format of the software that we are using, which is a Word document with the file name eBooks. Go to File, Save As, Browse, choose our new location, change the name to eBooks and the type to Word document, and we save this. Evidence 1. Place your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. For this, we will open the File Explorer and we'll go to the location where we saved this, and the document will appear there. And you can see that this has been saved as eBooks and it is a Microsoft Word document. I have to take a screenshot of this and place into the evidence document. To take this screenshot, I will use the snipping tool, and I will take a screenshot of this. I will copy and paste this into the evidence document. I have added in a little more than I was supposed to, so I can crop this. To place in the header, automated page number left aligned and an automated date field to display today's date right aligned. I will go to the document, Insert, and I will go to the header, and again I will choose the second option, even though they don't ask for 3 options. In the left, I should insert an automated page number, so I'll just click here. I will go to page number on current position, and I will choose plain number. I will have an automated page number left aligned in the header. Automated date field to display today's date right aligned. I'll go to the right, and I have to display an automated date that displays today's date. So I will go to Quick Parts, Fields, and I will choose date. They don't tell us the format of the date, they just say that it displays today's date, so I will just choose the first format, and we have today's date displayed over here. We don't need this, what do we call this? We don't need the middle type here, so we just delete this and close the header and the footer. Place your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned in the footer. We go again to insert, and this time we go to footer. Again, they don't ask for 3 details, they only ask for 1, but I will still choose the second option. I will delete the left of it and the center, and in the right I'm just going to type in my name, center number, and candidate number, and I will close this. Make sure that all the alignment match the page margins, no other text or placeholders are included in the header and footer areas, and footers are displayed on all pages. So all alignments match the page margins. You can see that the number is according to the page margin, and so is the date. And let me just check for the name, center number, and candidate number. It is also according to the margins. And we also have headers and footers displayed in all pages, and no other text or placeholders are being displayed in header and footer areas because we already deleted the type here that appeared here. 3. Create and store the following styles basing each on the default paragraph style. So my teacher actually taught me this, that we go to the end of the document, we click enter, and we create our styles in this part. So we have to create a DB subtitle, which is a sans serif, which means without strokes. For example, Arial. It should be 16, right aligned, italic, single outline spacing 0 before and after. I will click this arrow, create a style, and I will name this style DB subtitle. And I will modify the style, and they say that the style should be based on the default paragraph style. So based on normal, it should be sans serif without strokes. So I will choose Arial, which does not have strokes. 16 of size, I will increase this to 16. It should be right aligned, and this is left aligned, so I will make this right aligned. The enhancement is italic, and there is single outline spacing 0 before and after. So you go to format, paragraph, line spacing single, 0 before and after, and we do OK, and we have a style DB subtitle created. Now we have to create a DB subhead. Again, going to the arrow, create style, and we name this DB subhead, modify, and we will modify, and this style is now based on the DB subtitle, and we will change this to normal. So this is based on the normal. This is a serif, which means with strokes, so this is correct because Times New Roman is a font with strokes. It's 14 of size and center aligned. This is 13. I will change this to 14, and I will make this center aligned. Bold, and it's all capitals. I will choose bold, and to make all capitals, we go to format, font, and we choose all caps in the effect. Single outline spacing 0 before and 6 after. Go to format, paragraph, have 0 before and 0 after. We'll change this 0 into 6, and the line spacing is single, so it's correct. And you have this done, and again, just going to quickly check. This is done, and OK. Now we have to create the DB body. We again go into the arrow, create style. We'll name this DB body, modify, and again we have to change the base to normal. So this is based on the default paragraph style. Should be a sans serif, which means without strokes. So we change this from Times New Roman to Arial. 10 points, which is from 13 to 10 we change. It should be justified. There is no enhancement, single outline spacing 0 before and 6 after. So no enhancement, go to format, paragraph, line spacing single, before it's 0 and after is 6, and we click on OK, and we save this type, and we have DB body. Now we have to create the last style, which is DB table, which is a serif with strokes, so it will be Times New Roman. Again, we go into the arrow, create style. We name this DB table. We change this from based on DB body to base to normal. It should be a serif, which means with strokes. So this has strokes, 11 of points, and it is left aligned. So I'll change it from 13 to 11, and I will make this left aligned, which already is. It should be italic, of enhancement, single of line spacing 0 before and after. Enhancement, I will choose italic. Go to format, paragraph, line spacing is single, 0 before and 0 after. This is correct, and we save this. So take a screenshot to show that the style setting have been defined for the DB subhead. Make sure there is evidence that this is based on the default paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. Click on the square with the arrow, and this will open a list of all the styles we have, and we choose the DB subhead, right click on it, modify, and we will not modify anything, we will just open this window to take a screenshot. Now we have to open another window so we can know that the line spacing is single, 0 before and 6 after. So we go to format, paragraph, and we open these two windows and put them side to side. And we take a screenshot of this and make sure that the style is based on the normal. We take a screenshot of this, just close this, copy and paste this into the evidence document under evidence 2. 4. The style name DB title has already been created, stored, and applied to the title text. Modify the DB style so that the following formatting is applied. DB title should be sans serif, 32 of points, center aligned, bold and underlined, single of line spacing 0 before and 6 after. Again, I will choose from this list the DB title. Right click on it and modify. It should be a sans serif, which means without strokes. So this is Times New Roman, which is a serif with strokes. I will change this to Arial. It has to be 32 size, so from 12 I will change this to 32. I have a 32, so I'm just going to type it in. It should be center aligned. This is left aligned. I will center align this. Bold and underlined. This is bold and italic, so I will deselect the italic and choose the underlined. Single of line spacing 0 before and 6 after. Go to format, paragraph, line spacing single, it's correct. We changed the before from 12 to 0 and the after from 12 to 6. We click on OK, and we have this style done. Take a screenshot of the style settings on the DB title style to show that this have been changed. Place this in your evidence document. Have to take a screenshot of this window and again the paragraph window. And we just take a screenshot like we did for the other one. Copy and paste this into the evidence document under evidence 3. 5. Display these custom style names as a list in the Style Manager Organizer. Provide screenshot evidence of this list. We already have the list open, but if you don't have, just click on this square with the arrow and this will open the list. And not all styles can be seen, so we just increase a copy and paste this into our evidence document under evidence 4. Below the title, add the subtitle report by and add your name. I'll close the list now. And the title here is The World of Digital Books. So I will enter and type in report by, and I will add my name. You can see my name is the DB title style. Apply the DB subtitle style to this text. So I will select this, report by my name, and I will apply DB subtitle. Apply the DB body style for the rest of the document. So I will select the rest of the document and I will apply the DB body. Change the page layout so that the subheading history of digital books and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a centimeter space between the columns. The subheading history of digital books is over here. So I will select this and all the following text. So I will go to layout, columns, more columns, and this should be 2 columns. I will select 2. You can see here that column 1 is 7.87 and column 2 is also the same value because we have ticked the equal column width box. And the spacing is 125 and it is supposed to be 1 centimeter. So I will just change this to 1. And we have to apply this to the selected text. Apply square-shaped bullets to the list from dedicated e-readers such as to including the notepad. I will use the search. I will use the find to look for this, and we just type in here dedicated e-readers, and we have 2 dedicated e-readers, and they say that it's from dedicated e-readers to including notepad, and including notepad appears over here. So this is where we have to place square shaped bullets. To do this, we select, I'll just close the navigation, go to bullets, and we choose squared bullets, and this will apply squared bullets. Make sure that the bullets are intended 1 centimeter from the left margin. To see this, we can go to paragraph again. We can see the indentation is 0.63 from the left, so I will change this to 1. The list is in single line spacing with no space before after each line. Again, it's a paragraph, line spacing single, 0 before, and it's 6 after, so I will choose 0. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. The last item in the list is tablet computers including notepad, so I will just select the last item on the list, and for this I will change the spacing after to 6, so only the last line has a space of 6 points after. Identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply the DB subhead style to each one. I will apply the DB subhead to this one. Another is digital reading. Learning devices is the third one. The future is the fourth one. Digital books formats, 5th one, and 2 more to go. I think PDF format is another. 7th one is the EPUB format. Open the file n219readers.csv and insert the contents as a table after the text devices over the years. First, I will go into the Word. I'll go to Find and I will type in devices, and we have it over here, devices over the years, and we have to insert the table over here. I will open the n219reader.csv. I already have it open. Now we have to insert the following data as a table. So I will select this, Control C to copy, and I'll go into the Word, enter. I will click enter after devices over the years, and I will paste this using Control V. It has no internal or external borders, so I will go 9. Now just choose the simple table form. Delete the entire row and context for MaxiReader. MaxiReader is this one over here, so I will select this, right click, delete cells, delete entire row. Put the data in the table into ascending order of year. So I will just select the year column. I will go to layout, sort column 3, which is numbers, using the paragraph into ascending order, and okay, and we can see that this has changed to ascending order. Insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. Enter the following details. So it's 2007, which should appear between 2004 and 2009. So I will insert a new row over here. Go to insert, and we choose row below. So we'll insert a row. The year is 207. In the middle column, we have Digital Tawara, and in the first one, we have Tawara Tablet. And as I copied and pasted this has the formatting of this over here, but we will now apply the DB style, so this will all change. Apply a DB style to the table. I will select the table, go to Home, and I will apply the DB table style. Make sure that no text is wrapped within the table. There is no text wrapped between the table. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. To see this, we go to File, Print, and you can see that internal and external grid lines are being displayed. The borders and all data fit within the column width. Some don't fit, so I will just increase the column width of them. So now all the data is fitting within the column width. There is a 6-point space after the table. Having a 6-point space after the table basically means that this line has a 6-point space before. So we just change this to having a 6-point style before, just for this line. Remember the first row of the table to be bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. So to be center aligned, we have to merge this. Select the 3 columns, right click, merge cells, and then we will center this. Should be with a light gray background from 20 to 40. We go to design, shading, and you have to choose a light gray. Import the image N19 image.jpg and place this below the subheading the future. It's over here, so I will enter. I will go to insert, pictures, this device, open up the source files, and I will choose the N19 image. Reflect the image so that the e-reader is on the right. It must look like this. I will go to the arrange part and I will choose the related objects and I will flip this horizontally. Format the image so it is resized to a width of 3 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. We click on the size. We maintain the aspect ratio, we lock it, change the width from 5.98 to 3, and we save this. It is aligned to the left margin of the second column and the top of the paragraph starting. Many consumers have embraced the text wraps around the image. So first I will wrap the text around the image, and now I will align this to the top of the paragraph and the left of the margin until these 2 lines appear. Since you want to spell check and proofread the document, we go to review, spelling and grammar, and we will correct. Spelling and grammar is done. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1, so we only have to save this. Print the document, make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number are on the report. Go to File, Print, and we can see that our name, center number, and candidate number appears. The automated page and date also appear. Print this to PDF. And I'll save this as printout 1. Send it to many bookstores, sell books online through the internet. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages to customers of buying books through internet shopping. Evidence file, type your evidence into your evidence document using no more than 100 words. So I have written here, customers don't have to worry about the shop being open or not. That is one of the advantages. They can buy anytime. Buying online can also save time as there is no need to go to the shop. Although customers cannot hold the book and see the quality, buying online means paying with credit card, which can be hacked. I'll just check if this is not more than 100 words, and this is 55 words. We were almost there. And we have done the document production. Go see my other video for the databases and the rest of the videos for the rest of the paper. And see you guys next time.